Have you ever wondered why your summer afternoons are getting hotter each year? It's no coincidence. The world is warming up, and it's not just your imagination. This gradual rise in temperature is part of a global trend known as climate change. It influences our weather patterns, making our summers hotter and winters more unpredictable. It's more than just uncomfortable, it's a sign of a larger, more pressing issue. Yes, it's getting hotter, and yes, it's because of us. But how did we get here? To understand climate change, we need first to understand our role in it. The Earth is a delicate balance of systems, all working together to create the world as we know it. But what happens when we disrupt these systems? What happens when we, as humans, tip the scales? Let's take a look at the fossil fuel industry. We burn coal, oil, and natural gas for energy, which in turn releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas, meaning it traps heat from the sun close to our planet, leading to a gradual increase in the Earth's temperature. This is what we commonly refer to as global warming. But it doesn't stop there. We also engage in massive deforestation, cutting down trees that would otherwise absorb carbon dioxide and help regulate the Earth's climate. This not only reduces the number of trees but also means that the carbon stored in these trees is released back into the atmosphere, further exacerbating the problem. Then we have industrial processes. Many of these emit various greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, including methane and nitrous oxide, both of which are significantly more potent than carbon dioxide when it comes to trapping heat. All these human activities are like the many matches that have lit the kindling of climate change. They have set in motion a chain of events that, if not addressed, could drastically alter the world as we know it. So we've lit the fire, but what happens when the Earth heats up? A warmer Earth doesn't just make for sweaty summers. It's a catalyst for a series of domino effects that reverberate far beyond our thermometers. Picture this. Our ice caps are melting at an alarming rate, pouring fresh water into our oceans. This isn't just a problem for polar bears, it means rising sea levels that threaten coastal cities worldwide. But the dominoes don't stop there. This extra water fuels more extreme weather events, transforming gentle rainfalls into devastating floods and breezy days into destructive hurricanes. These events don't just wreak havoc on our homes and infrastructure. They disrupt ecosystems, endangering countless species and even altering the very landscapes they inhabit. And let's not forget the human toll. These changes carry significant health risks, from heat-related illnesses to vector-borne diseases. Our economies aren't immune either. The cost of disaster relief, infrastructure repair, and healthcare can quickly spiral out of control. The dominoes are falling and they're falling fast. But is there something we can do about it? The reality of climate change may seem daunting, but remember, we have the power to change the course. Harnessing this power begins with the small, everyday decisions we make. From choosing to reduce, reuse, and recycle, to altering our dietary habits, we can all contribute to a greener future. Consider this. By taking public transportation or cycling instead of driving, we can significantly decrease pollution levels. Small changes in our lifestyle can make a big difference. But our power extends beyond our personal lives. We can use our voices and votes to support policies and companies that prioritize the environment. Encouraging sustainable practices and green initiatives can have a ripple effect leading to larger societal changes. The fight against climate change isn't just about huge corporations or governments, it's about you and me. It's about our choices. Remember, every action counts. Start today for a cooler tomorrow.